MTD network this week. Now, you won't know what I'm going to say. If you need any quotes, hit that red button, pop your details in there, and we'll get some quotes for you. Nice and simple to do. And if you want to join MTD network, blue button, simple as that. Pop your details in there. I'll get in contact and we can get you out to the market. Now, what's been going on this week? Well, first of all, Desman Engineering, they've got some huge machines and some huge parts to go with it. So we've done a walkthrough video there. Nice video, that one. Also, this is proper milling. Andy from Bedford CNC has been involved in restoration of a water mill, so we're off to film that very soon, so looking forward to that. Talking of videos, we've done loads of videos. Bedford Engineering, now we popped there, great machines, great components, watch your space for that video. And also Loftlock, we did another walkthrough, a bit of a theme at the moment. Now there we showcase their components, their machine shop, their accreditations, and also they're commissioning 10 new machines, so great work there. Now what else has been going on? Talking of videos, Southern Manufacturing, popped down there, we saw Tim from MJ Allen. Now he was showcasing his four-wheel drive Ford Transit gear casing, nice and easy that one, and also huge casting, so these videos are coming out soon. Also our friend Richard from GW Martin, now he goes the extra mile in terms of when he's quoting for business. They actually 3D print a component. Why? Because what they can do is they can showcase that to the client and also show where it's easier, or they can improve the manufacturing process. So nice work there, really adding value. And what's trending at the moment? Well, we've already mentioned Desman. Have you seen components like this? Their walkthrough. And Honal, perfect result with gun drilling. Did you know it dates back to the 19th century in their drilling artillery? I didn't know that. Have a read. That's about it for this week. So you know what I'm going to say. If you need any quotes, hit that red button, request a quote. Nice and simple. And then if you want to join MTD Network, hit the blue button. That's it for this week.